Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures.
Hello. So Corban is playing with his Hot Wheels set here, and it looks like he is building track 2, which is right there.
No, I'm building track 1.
Oh, you're building track 1. Okay, sorry. So he's building track 1. So it's getting there. So he's testing out the loop-de-loop here, and he has the, where's the booster, Corban? You showed them the booster?
Here.
Yeah, the booster. So he is moving right along. All right. Oh, cool.
Ow.
You okay?
What? What, Mommy?
All right. So we're about to build the. Are you about to build the curve? Is that what you're?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I'm building this one.
Okay, number 1.
Oh, that's a. Oh, that's a short one. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's a short one. Okay. Trial and error.
What does that mean?
You make a mistake, you figure it out how to fix it.
Ugh.
Pick
Get
the
this.
short ones, and then he has his extra tracks over here. So when he wants to build more. So we're all spread out, and then these are his cars here
Dang it.
that he'll use once he
Oh,
builds this track.
And guys, let me show you my 5 new cars.
Oh, okay, he has just got 5 new cars yesterday.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
You can tell them apart from all those.
One. Find the I'm trying to find them.
Can't find it. It would be hard to find within all those cars.
Oh, this one?
Okay, and one more. Let's see if he can find it. No.
No, although. Well, I know I had this car.
Is that the 5th one?
No, I don't think so. I didn't know I had that car. But...
Oh, okay.
Huh?
Alright, the 5th one is a mystery. We don't know where the 5th one is. It's not that green car there?
Green car?
There's that one. Is that it?
No.
No? Okay.
Well, I think this one, but I'm not sure.
I'm not sure? Okay.
Oh, this one.
Oh, that one. Okay, so those are his 5 new cars that he just got yesterday. And we will test them out today, right?
Right. This is the ultimate challenge.
Ultimate challenge. Stay tuned. Alright, we got part of it done. We're going to test it out.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, that works.
Read this.
That's the other part of it. Okay.
No, it's not. That's the part that goes after. That's the part that goes there. I'm just touching those
Okay.
together.
Alright, so we need one more long piece there.
Yes. This one?
That might be a little short.
Yeah, it's a...
Need a longer piece.
Oh, here it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, that's the same size.
I'm in.
Alright, now you, after that you have to attach it to the booster?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Uh-oh.
That's super close.
Alright. Where are we now? What are we doing now?
Changing tracks.
We're changing tracks.
Look here to go out
Uh-huh.
or go to the rest of the track.
Oh, okay. So there's 2 lanes there. Okay.
Oh, let me reset the loop they move.
Did you test it out or?
Guys, I want you to come in. I want
All right.
Ready?
All right. Ready.
Go.
Oh. All right. About to attach the loop-de-loop. The second one.
Loop-de-loop, de-loop, 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 loop, loop.
All right. Should be almost done. We don't have much to go here.
You don't have much to go.
All right.
Just need 2 more. We just need 2 more. We just need the 3-ball launcher and that thing.
All right.
And we get all set for 3. Oh, here's a rubber band.
Oh, there was a rubber band. Oh well, we used another one. We could save that for another project. I'm sure we will need it.
It was under there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I'm sure we will need that rubber band.
Huh?
I'm sure we will need that rubber band for another project.
Wait, what did you say?
I think we'll need that rubber band for another project. We always need rubber bands for our project when we build stuff. Right?
Yeah, put things together.
Yeah.
Then back up.
So what is that, Corbin?
It's a 3-ball launcher. So you put it here, the car goes there, and it'll hit this, and then 3 balls will go.
Oh,
and
cool.
if you want to reset it back, push the spread button here, and it'll go up.
Oh, okay. Cool. What do you need?
A medium piece, and then this one.
Mm-hmm.
Medium piece. Oh my gosh! I keep forgetting.
Keep forgetting what?
These medium pieces, look, can go inside.
Oh, okay. Oh, they don't need the blue connector piece?
They do need a blue connector
Okay.
piece, but they go inside. Let me try to get that.
This is why I love Hot Wheels. You can build your tracks. There's science in it with speed. We can talk about inertia, right? You can test out the different cars that work and the ones that don't work. So much science.
Wait, Mommy, you mean not the car that don't work? You mean the cars that are not Hot Wheels?
Well, yeah, but there's some cars that aren't Hot Wheels that work in the boosters, right? That we've tried. Remember, there's some cars that we could fit in the boosters that aren't Hot Wheel cars?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Almost all of them, but there's only one. And we found out that one car can fit in the boosters.
Yeah.
You remember that car?
Yeah.
It was on your one, and then you got stuck.
Yeah, and I had to switch the car out.
Oh, remember the race, Mommy? Remember the race, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Remember the race one?
Yeah.
That was epic.
It was epic.
And I wrote down the names.
You wrote down the names?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I wrote down the names on the track.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I wrote down the roads. I wrote C here,
Mm-hmm.
with like a marker,
Mm-hmm.
and M here.
Oh, okay. I didn't know you did that.
Ready.
All right, the track is complete.
Now, this is what my track looks like.
All right.
Right now, I'm going to test out the 5 cars.
Okay.
And you guys can watch too as the 5 cars go down the track. And we'll see which car has the fastest time.
Sounds good.
Let's go and race.
Try again. Okay.
What the heck?
Uh-oh. Maybe we should replace.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. Maybe we should.
Try again. Ready?
Oh!
Oh! Ready?
Ready. All right.
Whoop. Second try again.
Yes. That one got it on the first and the second try. These are all the successful cards. And I guess this one is the unsuccessful card here. Oh, it worked! Yay!